We're arguing. She wants to drive. I don't know why she wants to drive. Just because she really missed this place. She's like, I want to drive. I want to drive. When do you ever like to drive around? Anyway, good morning again, guys. Welcome back to another video. Believe it or not, I'm not sure if you guys know, but we are actually in Hilo on the Big Island. 13 years ago. Is it 13 years ago? 2013 we left this place, and this place will always have a special place in our hearts. We don't have anything planned on doing today. I guess this video is, we wanted to show this video just for our boys to know and to see exactly where they were born and raised. And so we're gonna go and visit the places where the place where we used to live back in college, or before. So Mars, I think Marson remembers a little bit about Marlson and Elston. You guys were still babies. So we're gonna go to Ash housing, and then we'll do some of the places here, and then hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. And then of course we'll go and visit some families and friends here while we're here. All right, stay put, guys. Thank you again. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel, please help us out and help reach our goal, 10,000K. We're climbing up there pretty fast and gradually at the same time. So just help us out and invite your friends to help us out, and so that we can reach there or get to our goal. All right, stay put, enjoy, sit back and relax and enjoy the video, or enjoy the vlog. All right, for those of you who used to live in Hilo, this one is for you too. That way you can see where all the places that you've missed here on the Big Island. All right, bye-bye. So here we are at the bayfront. That right there is going out to, what do you call that place again? 4 miles. And then just straight ahead is the pancake place right there. Mom, can you show it? Hold the camera. Yeah. So that's the famous pancake place here on the Big Island. Right there, back in that corner. Alright, Marlson, Elston, and Mars. Now we're heading out to a place where they called 4 miles. Why they call it 4 miles? I don't know. Maybe because it's only 4 miles out. The stretch is 4 miles, so that's why. This is where we always come to have our picnics. Can you take it? This is where you grew up, or you were born. At least you were born, not grew up, because you were only here a few years. Auto of 4 miles. All right, another great place for a picnic. See, Marlson and Elston, this is where we used to have our picnics when we were still here in Hilo. And then this was when He was a big baby. He was a round baby. Wow, Fito, it's only 9 o'clock, 9:04, and these people are already like out here swimming. That's the life of islanders, huh? That's the life in the islands. Just go out. That road out there, that's the road to Ouija and Abiru. No, that's the road to go to Sabuco. Videographer, don't get it too close to the window. You're making it shaky. Come on. This is the rocky bayfront of the 4 miles here in Hilo. The Rocky Beaches. Rocky Beach. Look, there's more people. Wow, they really like the water. Only 4 miles. So 4 miles. This is for y'all, Chuukilos. Kawakan. UH Hilo. I don't know if you guys still remember these places, but it's still the same, except the grass, the trees are getting taller. Yeah? Oh. Alright, we're gonna try to make a turn so you guys can see a little bit up close to the beach or the bayfront, or at least, let's see. Yep. Alright, this is still 4 miles, guys. 4 miles. This is where all the fights happened back in the day. I'm kidding. Oh, fell it again. Oh, see, it's a little bit windy today. Windy and gloomy. Nice. I wonder who stays in this place. Very good, Raja rent out. Alright. Well, and that's Onokaka. Yeah, right here? Oh wait. Where do we turn? Oh yeah. Onoka. Now this is the spot. This is the spot. This is where we do all the Chuukilos picnics and all the good stuff. Oh look, they even have the bikes, e-bikes or high bike. Oh, but they call it high bike. That's nice. Oh. Alright, so we're gonna head out here. This is where we met the famous UFC fighter, PJ Pen. Yes, and he was hanging out with the Chuukis. Yo. Guys, I know this might be a little bit boring to you guys, but to us, it's got some meaning. It's got some meaning in our hearts, because These places are very important. Importante. Because this is where we used to come and hang out with all our IYAE family, our Chuukilos community, you name it. Birthday parties. Yeah. So even though these places are not, they may not look appealing to you, but they are very important. Brought some memories back. Did we ever do a birthday party for Mars over here? Huh? Yes? What? These people just come to camp or? Wow. Aloha. Ahuiho. Okay, bye. Okay. Alright, now we're back on the highway. This is the famous highway down. Now we're heading down to the famous place here on the Big Island, and it's called none but the famous Walmart. Yep. That's the famous place here on the Big Island, Walmart. So we are going to go and maybe get some stuff from Walmart. Tomorrow said I'm gonna go get some white t-shirt for you from Walmart. That will be used as a souvenir for you when we get back. And then this road on the left, I believe we haven't gone out on that side, but I believe that's the one going out to the airport. Am I correct? Huh? Yes. And this traffic here is really bad. Nothing compared to the traffic over here in Hilo. It's kind of like it's comparable to the traffic on the I-5. The traffic is not that bad. There's a place on the right. There's a pink house. It's called Leong's. Yes, that was the first place that when we arrived yesterday, we went to that place because we wanted to get something to eat because they have good chicken there, but unfortunately it was closed. So right now that's the second. I mean that's gonna be on the list today. We're gonna go to get some of their black bean chicken. And on the right we have the Bank of America. No, Bank of Hawaii. And then Marasan, they have Toyota here. They don't just have in the United States. They have here in the United States of Hawaii. Alright, and then what else? You gotta show them around so they know what the place looks like. Should I come in from here? This is the shortcut, right? Huh? Alright. Oh, this is not good. Huh? And that's what do you call that? That's where Ara Patrick used to work. Alright, here we go. Should I go? Should I go? Oh, whew. That was close. And ladies and gentlemen, in about approximately 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and we have the famous Walmart ahead. Alright, now we're heading up on the... We just got back from the famous place, once again, Walmart. That's Gate DA. Oh. And then Now, okay, we are now going up on Buonoco Street. And Mars, look at that place. That's your school. Elston, you see, that's Marston's school. And Rafa, right? And Trayston. Wait, Trayston? Okay, and Trayston. See, that's your place right there. And then now we are heading up to Ash Housing. Ayo, okay. There. See, this is a very small town. And then at this traffic light, 20 some years ago, or 14 years ago, I asked at this very corner, I asked somebody to drop us off to our place without me knowing that it was just right up here. And I thought that he was not very nice to give me a ride home. Oh, see? This is Ash Housing. Look at that place right there. Marston, Elston, and Mars, that's our home. Fawaran Parvo. 24A. Oh, 24A. And then that's Uncle Dorset's place and Auntie Betlin. Right up there. Okay. And then down on your right, down on the right, that's where LeBron James used to practice. No, Mars, that's where you were first learning how to bounce a ball. Okay, and then we're gonna go all the way down. That's your playground. That's your playground right there. And then we're gonna go all the way down to this corner, and down at the very bottom, that building you're looking at, it's the one that has 8C. That's our first home. Oh yeah. Oh, that was my first home. Oh, look at sabiwan mo yun. And oh wow, cafe nga ay pas nga po to Firiori e Caraferiap. I bus, if you happen to watch this video, come on, you have so much fariap on that tree. We'll come back to it. So this is Ash Housing, boys. This is where all the pros used to live. Coach our basket, oh, look at Nu, he's right there. Is that Nu? Oh. Okay, we're gonna go say hi to everyone. Okay, we're gonna put you guys down. We're gonna put you guys down for a little bit, and then yeah, we'll talk later. Peace out. Okay, Mars, yeri ang kumoyo. Say, kumoyo. Yeah, Timolina. We are at their office. Okay. Give me such a practice COVID. Mayoranan cover. Mars, Elston, and Morrison. This is where mommy used to do your underwear and your pipe. Laundromat. Oh wow. See? This is Ash housing. Yay, Ewatori, Ash. I'm gonna show you guys the basketball court. Look, it's still in good shape, guys. Yeah, see? Down there is where we used to live. There's a basketball court right here. And then there's the same places. This place is still looking good. Oh, I got a playground. Look, it's falling apart. Oh. Yeah. Love it. Yeah, me know what I could.
Hi, boss.
Hi, boss! Horo ay paswa. Beta, ibausyo. Ha? Ibausyo.
Cukup.
Ah, betroro ay paswa. Veyer ako ay pas. Kachiki pirar fitio po puer kiri. Marshmallow.
Ayan ka.
May record tiri ko pa. Ha. Yer ka puri. Soro ay pas niyo.
Sige mo kasi niya nepo.
Nepo.
That's sa kayo kasi.
Oh.
Mulit sa yay po. Yay sila.
Look. Oh, you will lili tapos. Napasok ka po.
Kapong urut Woody. Woody. Masento. Kevin name at Marshall.
Yeah, get so. This is Bayfront. Bayfront. Anyway, guys, I am so happy. You're not gonna believe it. I just picked up some poke. I'll show you guys when we get to the house. Right now, we're heading towards Sandy and Sakai's place. We don't even know where it's at, but you know, we're just gonna do the traditional GPS. I'm gonna use some stars. We just had the Festpack over in Honolulu. Is it Festpack? Festpack or Festpack?
Pack.
Or Festpack or whatever. Anyway, yep. I'm gonna show them that I can to use the stars to navigate this place. Because Sandy said that I'm not gonna be able to find their house on the GPS. So, hey, sana wa pekin pepekyo. Okay, yeah, pepekyo. You got what chochi powder long time ago. I believe that's where. PJ Ben, that's the guy I was talking about earlier. The famous UFC fighter. He's now running for office. Oh, yeah, he's now running for office. Okay, we're gonna put you guys down for a little bit because right now I think I just missed the northern star. I need to re-navigate myself. Okay. Alright, so now we're at this neighborhood. It's very beautiful. We're looking for Goen's house.
Hiran.
Where?
That's their house.
Is that-
Okay, we found it.
Is that the one with the tent? Blue tent?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay.
Do I get to park at the VIP?
Take anywhere you want to.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Yeah, water report. Sakay. Sakay. Mike. Oj! Jag kraft på dig var det king. Ida. Di official tekan. Saksan, wow, you guys are fast. Say hi to my flock. Say your name. Come on, introduce yourself.
Oh, my name is Saxa,
Hey, okay.
straight out of 808.
Hey. Parero, Shanti, napasok ka po. Kaya mo birthday na po na kiray ka akatot.
Kapok.
Si iwasati wasakay, buktai at si. Yor. Inay na po apure vapor. Apure kakatot. Ikor itu. Fica. Kapit cek.
Wah, kasih man. Beri pagpapag. YouTube ke wafet. Kisalawa.
Ay, butay search baby. What there baby?
Wah, tu sefer tiri. Semua wah. Pui ring force. Ganti kita lili. Mira ese.
If it's check no na 40 hour tin na curry.
Ni.
Şerire pura separatory.
Pui keren keren pui FaceTime. Ngai kat keri sekali. Kau mesti terbiasa mahal. Bisa tahu kiri kau kesapa tu sekarang.
Yor. Wow, itu cenderia bi.
Ele pega kat kuliah. Aywa. Kos pintu.
Wow, man, look at your backyard,
Don't
man.
mind the mess back here.
It's all right.
Don't mind it.
Aku lewat.
Betul ka? Hari mechanic you. Fite room nari. Hey. Yeah, miore. Pig pen. A sakseret titi pig. There is a pig inside. Nerd sakseri pig. Wow, it. Wow, basari. Let's check improvise up. Really? Hey, I like your pig pen, man. It is nice. Yeah.
Oh, yo. Yeah, that right there. It's not close to being one saw. Still baby.
Did you subscribe to our channel?
Oh no.
should.
No, I didn't know how to do that.
Just look it up on YouTube and then subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
Now that you're actually in my videos, it's gonna make you go and subscribe.
Okay. Oh yeah, just I'll hit it. I'll hit it up.
And then make sure you tell your friends and your other families to
yeah.
subscribe if they have not.
Oh yeah, like and subscribe.
Yeah. Whatever you all subscribe, you get out there to our YouTube.
PUBG streamers. PUBG streamers over here.
What is that? Fortnite?
No, it's a mobile game.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Why Fortnite is not popular anymore?
I used to like it, but they just like changed it up, and it's like boring now.
Oh.
But then that's one game that you can just play for fun, like when you're bored.
Right.
Oh yeah, there's certain kind of plants over here.
Oh yeah, you do have breadfruit, right?
Yeah, over there, and then there's the parang.
Ifafatom na parang.
Oh, over there.
Oh, okay, wow. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. Basketball rim is kind of.
That's your room right there?
Yeah, it's gonna break down pretty soon. Buy me a new one. Oh, those right there is what we call kalo.
Oh.
Yeah. Kalo in Hawaii. Yeah. Oh, there's different type of plants, you know.
Sounds good. I like your place though. Very peaceful.
Very quiet. Too quiet where you can go insane.
Okay.
At IG.
Okay.
Chequear el día.
Quero mo para sa. Kaya to ko pura mo pa ba free. Mo mo.
Nini bet. Selamat sini, tempat sini ni.
Iya,
Bisa pare pindah sini sebut security ni. Nanti ya tu orang tak tahu ni. Jadi kan, nama tu nak bikin not. Ya tu orang tu pat. Aja nombor ini. Ya tu orang tu put mana nombor.
Ya, betul ya nih.
Atun. Shasharachi sashimi po. Ya chegukun. Ome cara. Iweran ome tiu cara girar kuku. Iwer. Ruoru cara.
Hilo mori più expensive adesso.
Yeah.
Perché funziona la pandemia.
Ini file semuanya.
Awes.
Wah, pernah mau YouTube.
Awes.
Esse café com apa pernah mau YouTube.
Kira mo pa wa fna mo. Ngai ta tinne tu tipe wa ucak to saura puira po ekstra cakao.
Kurang.
Saya kapo kuapon me pusik katot. Keka
Cabur. Tidak cepat ya.
Cristo lame papa e Jesus que viva multiverri Cristo tapu prepara serikap secerikap panariate harus sekian secerikap Cristo astomi tapu
apa sa kapo sa pero sa
Si puan rata sekali so jadi kot keren. Ready gerai. Para papa kapo meri kebi. Tori pacon mai katon. Program ke life and event. Kini so der ready gerai. Par kini so geri kot. Awo kota pasal ore. Ikke mori kits medicine. Pasal patori se for the second. Kini so.
So setiap sa kapo apa dia puasa?
Tapi mau fishing kita tekan tu.
Saya cepat kapok buat. Apa cekra ka? Kek cu, omna vet. Sok kapok.
Saya ceres.
Sok kapok. Bye. Vete. Hey, barbershop vegan. Ye barbershop again.
That's why it's supposed to be.
Sabi ka mo Cabrera.
Okay, see you later. Thank you for visiting.
Okay. Vira, sopatsu. Dakshat.
Guys, have a good day.
Okay.
See.
Marlon, that's our place. That's used to be our place. Look. And then all of that. We used to cut grass over there. This used to be all cleaned out. And that's your place right there. What? Look at that. Mars, I think this was yours. Mars or Marlson? Oh wow. Look at that. Austin, kakura. You see, that's for Mars. How you doing, man? Hi. Hello again. Can I get some rice? We do it the island way. This is the island way. Marlon, I'm eating at Andy Molina's place. And Uncle Molina's place. See, now we have oh, this thing doesn't like to focus. Oh. Kafariyati. Sabo. Where's the sesame? Oh.
Pag-edit.
Apo na umuha ako.
Apo niya, na tangan kaka. Ay mo ulanan ng focus ko ano. Pinasama.
Oh, masaya yung ko.
This.
Hoy, nanom na mama. Binata ko.
Alright. We're gonna eat.
Yeah.
Coconut Island. Coconut Island. Okay. Enough Coconut Island. Because I want some spam and Portuguese sausage. Guess where that's gonna be coming from? That's gonna come from none but the famous place, McDonald's. Yes, only in Hawaii. Only in Hawaii they have McDonald's that have Portuguese sausage, eggs, and all the goodies. No contest. They walking and exercising. Si Rafael Fatarki.
Ganyan.
That's Suisan. Suisan. Last day here in Hilo. Bago si Dioro never Hilo. Yeah, I got last day here in Hilo. Bago si Dioro never Hilo. Now we're heading up north. Look up, buddy, north. Now we're heading up to close to the Civic. Huh? Civic. On the left, that's the Civic place. That's where they have the graduation. The high schools. And then on the right, you do the right. What was the place it used to be? Over there? Manono Mini Mart? Manono Mini Mart. Oh, I think there's one place that we need to go check out. Leong's. No? You don't want Leong's? Okay. Fine.
Hey.
Huh?
Okay.
On the left, we have the 3 flags. Never, peace, no shop. Karaka, Firai. Never, peace, no shop.
Shanti level manono.
This is Manono Street. On the left, what? Santilid. That's HCC, Hawaii Community College. On the left. All the way HCC. Okay. Kawili Street. Kawili Street. This building on the right, it's a dental clinic. Don't ever come to this clinic. It's very expensive. I came here once and I said, nope. 7-Eleven. Inararo rapnes. Nasido. Rapnes. I remember we always go down there and you would always tell the cashiers, my dad is a governor. And then you would say that the other guy is, his uncle is the senator. Oh, look at that building right there. That's new. This is used to be just bushes on the right. And Ifau itariki? Hilo beto? Oh, Waikia High. Waikia High. Alright, and then on the right we have the University of Hawaii at Hilo. Oh, University of Hawaii at Hilo. Let's go check out and see what this place looks like now. So now we're on the Hawaii campus, Hilo campus. Should I go down, right? Alright. And yes, this is the gym. And it's also called Old Gym. Oh, the old gym. And this is our famous bookstore. Every time you get your refund, you come buy your books, your textbooks, and then next thing you know, you just can't wait for the semester to finish so you can return your books and get that money back. We always do that. All for the sake of money. Yeah. Because we were poor, you know. Okay. So, alright. UH. If I thought Ike. And then all the Chuukilos would always come out of school, out of their classes, and then just come and sit on this railing and hang out, chew tobacco, chew betel nut, and then they spit and make this place filthy. If you go on YouTube and watch all the Tokia, this is where it happens, or this is where we do all that stick dance and stuff. Alright, going up to the theater. Oh, it is a new building, right? Very good building. Oh, nice. Alright, so this is the front of the school. I think it's under renovation. There's a store? What? There's a store? Oh, I think that might be a new bookstore. It's nice though.
It's bookstore.
Oh, that's a new bookstore. Okay. Wow. Alright, good to see you again. Hilo campus. We shall see you again in the next visit we have, if we ever come back again. Oh, how come I've never seen that before?
That's the new dorm.
Huh?
The new dorm.
Wow. Okay. That's a new dorm. I think that guy's from Yup.
That's the field.
Of course, that's the field. Ooh. That's where all the hangout happened with all the Chuukilos. And then, housing. Oh, here.
Stephen.
Oh. There you go. So this is on the left. We have Sack and Safe, and then we're only here to get the Portuguese sausage with the spam. Wow. Can we go inside? I don't want to go through the drive-thru. And then on the left we have the same. Those three flags, representation of the three universities or the three states or continents or countries. We got the peace, nose up, but never peace, nose up. See, only in Hawaii they got the Portuguese sausage, spam, and eggs. And then we got the sashimi. I cannot believe it, guys. Only for this, it's $20 for just these two. Unacceptable. Because, man, I guess that's what it is here in Hawaii. Always expensive. Alright, we got a chow chow. Okay, Ash Housing. Thank you for having us. Alberto, say bye to our brown building. See you guys. I think we're just gonna go to the say bye to brother, and then after service then we go straight to the airport. Thank you, Ash Housing. Bye bye. Alright, this is the east side of the campus. And then on your right, we have our Karoro Church of the Holy Cross. Elston, Mars and Marlson, this is our church. Church of the Holy Cross. Oh, is it gonna be at the thing? Sanctuary or? Huh? Oh. So this is our Holy Cross. Oh, yo. Long time. And that sign is still up there. I think that's the old sign that used to be up there when we always do car wash. Okay, thank you all for having us here in Hilo. We thank you all. And we shall see you guys, families and friends. We love you all and see you next time. Bye.